My name is Petra Aswend. I'm CEO of ViALUX, an authorized DLP design house partner of Texas Instruments based in Germany. My company is one of the most experienced DLP design houses in the network. We have been supporting new emerging DLP applications for more than 12 years, and we are now serving hundreds of customers worldwide. So what makes ViALUX products so attractive for you? ViALUX has specialized in the development of DLP subsystems. That means DLP hardware, DLP firmware, DLP software. We provide a complete solution for you. Our feature-rich ALP controller is an integrated part in all our products. And our subsystems cover all high-speed DLP chips available in TI's advanced light control portfolio. Our products, we call it V modules, form a complete family. You can see it here on the table. Here on the left, this is the V7000. It comes with high performance in a very small package, and it is well proven in industry. It goes into 3D scanning devices, into lithography machines, into compressive sensing cameras. And what is worth mentioning here, it is based upon the 0.7 XG8 DLP chip from TI, and it comes with a high switching rate, 22,000 frames per second. That means the mirrors of the whole array switch at the same time within microseconds. Well, if we go from the left to right in our modules, the pixel size shrinks, but the resolution goes up. And I'm very proud that I can show you this newest product just released at Photonics West. And it is based upon the newest TI chipset, DLP 9000X. This combines 4 million pixels with a remarkable frames per second of more than 12 kilohertz. This is a really huge data throughput that has been never seen before. Well, what is my message for today? So please take advantage of the ViALUX subsystems to launch into DLP technology rapidly and to make your own product development with shortest time to market. For more information, please look at our website vialux.de, and thank you very much for watching.